Hello students. Today we teach you, what is set in maths? Meaning some examples for better understanding. So let's start. Set is a collection of well-defined objects which are distinct from each other. Let's see this example of set, where A is set, and its element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each items in set is known as the element of set. The element of set are in curly braces. Hope this example can help you to understand what is set and elements in the set. Element can be collection of numbers, alphabet letters, days in a week, months in a year, and so on. Let I explain you more about this. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C. And elements are usually denoted by small letters A, B, C. If small letter A is an element of a set A, then we write small letter A as element of set A, and say small letter A belongs to set A, or small letter A is in set A, or small letter A is a member of set A. If small letter A does not belongs to set A, we write small letter A as not element of set A. I hope you can understand this. What is set in maths with this simple explanation. In the next video we teach you types of sets with examples. If you like this video, like and share. And subscribe us for this type of maths video. See you again in next video. Thanks for watching.